This Fine Island Properties LLC property video is presented by Michael Buchanan, R.B. less than bedroom greater than RB 19,488. This well-maintained home has a very good location within one of the newer developments in Kihei, Kamalii Alayna. Situated on the largest lot in the rear of this development. Well away from any traffic. With a large open concept kitchen, separate dining room, laundry room, bedrooms and bathrooms all on the main floor with a large family room upstairs. Vaulted ceilings, central air conditioner, solar water heating and a fenced rear yard are just some of the excellent features included with this home. Bank of America, N.A. Associates, household members and business partners are prohibited from purchasing REO properties, either owned or serviced by the bank, whether directly or indirectly. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Buchanan, R.B.